Hello, in this video today I will guide you how to download the older version of Sitefinity from the internet. Okay, so basically when you want to download the setup file of the Sitefinity, you just go ahead to the progress.com website to download it. But it also provides the latest version of Sitefinity, and in case if you want to get another version, it's older for some development purpose and how to do it. Of course, in this video today I will guide you how to do it. Okay, so here you access to the progress.com website. You have to log in to the Telerik account. Okay, so here if you don't have existing accounts, you have to register your new one. Okay, because here I already have one, so I just go ahead to log in. Here, provide my email and password. After that, click on login button to get access. Here, so here after login successfully, you can see here on the top menus we have a product and subscription. Click on this one, drop down, and Sitefinity CMS. Here, on the right hand we have a download, installer, and other resources. Click on this one. Here, so here it will direct you to the download for Sitefinity CMS page, and here you can see we have a latest published version, latest internal view. Okay, and underneath we have a version beta internal view, and here you will select the version, and for the license you can select a purchase or trial. Okay, so here in the drop down version we have some the version for you to select and download. Okay, so here for example I have a license in purchase and version I want to download. Older version is 10.2.660.4. Click on this one. Yeah, so here it will get the file for you. Okay, so just go ahead to click on this one to download it. For example, yeah, you can see here. So waiting for the download is complete, and after that you can use this file to set up the Sitefinity older version on your PC. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.